Hi friends! Welcome back to Babble and Blocks. I am so excited you're here today. Are you ready for a brand new adventure?
Whoa. I don't think I heard you. Let's try that one more time with all your might. Are you ready? That's what I'm talking about. Okay, let's do this. All right, adventurers, our mission today is to meet a very special sound. We're going on a hunt for a super crunchy, really strong sound that we call the kicking K sound.
So how do we make this sound? Well, you just pretend you're making a teeny tiny cough way in the back of your throat, like this. Listen. K, k, k. Now try it with me. Ready? K, k, k. Wow, you got it. That sounds perfect.
Okay, time for a super secret scientist trick. Put your hand gently on your throat, just like this. That's your voice box. Now, let's make that kicking sound again. Go for it. So, do you feel anything rumbling or buzzing in there? No way! That's because it's a whisper sound. Our voice box is quiet for this one. Now, here's the really cool part. The K sound is a master of disguise. Yup, it loves to wear different costumes in our words. It has 5 different spelling disguises. It can be a C, like in cat, a K, like in kitten, a CK, like in duck, a super duper tricky CH, like in school, and even a Q, like in queen. So many ways to hide. Okay, adventurers, it's story time. This story is called Cal the Cat Comes to School. Now, your mission, should you choose to accept it, is to listen with your superpowered ears for all of those kicking K sounds. After the story, we're gonna hunt for them together. Ready? Let's dive in.
All right, here we go. Kit the kid had to go to school, and he said, I must pack my backpack.
So, he packed a book. Then he packed a crayon and his favorite cap. But look over there. His cat, Cal, wanted to come along. No, Cal, said Kit. Cats can't come to school.
But you know what? Cal the cat was very, very quick. And when Kit wasn't looking, boing, Cal jumped right inside the backpack. And zip, the bag was all closed up.
So Kit went off to school. The schoolroom was so quiet. Shh. But then, all of a sudden, a little meow came from inside the backpack. Kit opened up his backpack, and guess what? Out popped Cal the cat. Surprise! All the kids started to giggle. Cal, Kit shouted. His voice made a big echo in the room. Echo, echo. Kit just had to smile. Well, he said, come and look at my book, Cal. Cal the cat was a very cool cat. Wow, what a fun story. That Cal the cat is so sneaky, isn't he? Okay, so did you hear all of those kicking K sounds? I bet you did. It's time to go on our great sound hunt and find our treasure. It is time to sort our sound treasure. Take a look. We have 5 empty sound boxes, one for each of our K sound disguises. We're going to take all the words we heard and put them in the right box. Let's get started. Okay, first things first. What was the name of the boy in our story? It was Kit. You got it. Kit starts with that K sound. So which disguise is it wearing? Which box should it go in? The K box. You got it. Let's pop it right in there. And what about Kit's pet? He was a cat. Brilliant. And the cat's name was Cal. Okay, so where do the words cat and Cal go? Which box? You're right. They go right in the C box. Perfect. Okay, get ready. Here comes a tricky one. What did Cal the cat hide in? A backpack. Ooh, now listen really closely to this word. Backpack. Say it with me. Backpack. Whoa, did you hear that? It has 2 K sounds. That means it has to go in the K box. How cool is that? So, where did Kit and that sneaky cat go? They went to school. Now, this is that super tricky disguise I was telling you about. Which box is for the K sound in school? Yes, the Chi box. Wow, you guys are so smart. You know, we have to be amazing listeners because sometimes these letters try to trick us. So, how did Cal get into the bag? He was quick. And what was the schoolroom like? It was quiet. So where do those words go? Take a look at the beginning of those words. Exactly, in the Q box. We did it! We found all our sound treasure. Just look at all the different ways we spelled that one K sound. We found words like cat and cal for C, kit for K, backpack for CK, school for CH, and quick and quiet for Q. You were all incredible sound adventurers today. Give yourselves a big round of applause. But wait, the adventure isn't over yet. I have a very special top secret mission just for you. It's time for you to keep this adventure going right in your own home. Here's your mission. I want you to go on your own K sound hunt. Go find your backpack or your books. Look inside. Do you see any crayons in there? Do you have a cap you can wear? Maybe you can spot a clock on the wall or find a cup in the kitchen. Ask a grown-up to help you, and then you can tell me all about what you found in the comments below. You all did such an amazing job today. Seriously. You learned how to make the K sound, you found all of its secret disguises, and you were fantastic on our sound hunt. Great job today, sound adventurers, and I cannot wait to see you for our next big adventure. Bye-bye!